Hi everyone, my name is Tomer Yakir and I'm a TSC from Tel Aviv on the ANI team. I'm going to demonstrate a tool I created called Mopsdiag. As part of addressing Ops Manager issues, we need to run through dozens of JSON files to be able to understand the customer environment and detect issues. This can be a tedious task and there's a good chance certain details will be overlooked. To address this, I created Mopsdiag. Mopsdiag is a module on the Proactive platform that analyzes the Ops Manager Diagnostics archive, visualizes the customer deployment, and automatically detects issues. To use it, simply log in to https://proactivecorp.mongodb.com/diagnostics, input a case number, and upload the archive. Allow the tool a few moments to complete its analysis. Mopsdiag is capable of detecting over 100 types of issues in the following areas: the managed MongoDB processes, for example, replica sets running with even voting members, kernel bugs, running MongoDB versions with known issues, and running with low ulimits. Monitoring issues, for example, monitoring cycles that took a long time, and monitoring agent failing to monitor a certain host due to permissions issue. Backup issues, for example, agents failing to stop the balancer and headdb behind condition. Automation issues, for example, when the agent doesn't have sufficient permissions to complete its actions, and Ops Manager issues, where errors have been detected on the application server or the MMS log. Notice that the issues are classified based on their severity and that the recommended actions are highlighted. You can hover over the issue to get some more information about the source logline. A warning icon will appear if the error is a recent one, meaning that it happened in the last 2 hours. You can use the Copy Comment to Clipboard button to copy the issues list using Salesforce Markdown. The tool also visualizes the customer deployment so you can easily understand topology information. You can immediately understand information such as the data size, the uplog activity, and the version. Hovering over a node would reveal some extra information such as the OS, RAM, cores, and authentication options in place. To view the full information, you can click on the raw ping button, which will basically reveal the full information gathered by the monitoring agent. The tool would show the state of the backup jobs and indications on whether the process is healthy, the upload push times, head times, and snapshot times. It would also detect errors on the backup agents. Notice that you can download the log in the flat file format. You can show the full log, again in flat file format. And if you'd like, you can also focus just on the errors. When using Groups Diagnostics Archive, you can see which agent is the active one, which version is it running. The tool would highlight old versions and a mix of manually installed agents and agents deployed by automation. The Backup Daemons section allows you to review daemon logs, see the daemon configuration, and easily view the associated jobs per daemon. For Ops Manager Post 345, the tool allows you to visualize the backup job timelines and perform some basic performance analysis. In this particular example, if you focus on the snapshot job here, we can see it took less than 5 minutes to complete. The tool also analyzes the hourly apply ops rate, indicating how many upload hours were applied each hour. The automation section allows you to perform pretty much the same activities available for the backup agent, which are to download the logs, view the logs in flat file format, and review errors. For monitoring, you can view each monitoring agent And if you expand the node, you can see the logs in the context of the monitored process. For example, to see if an agent has failed to monitor a particular host. The Ops Manager section shows the deployed Ops Manager instances and allows you to review the instance logs. Hovering over the nodes would highlight the MongoDB URI configured for that instance. You can also see the mode of configuration, whether it's local or remote. Finally, the tool allows you to view the host mappings and the raw application settings. So these are the host mappings, and this is the raw application settings. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. As a reminder, you can log into HTTPS Proactive Corp, mongodb.com/diagnostics to use the tool. Please feel free to reach out to me via Slack or file a TS project ticket with the Mopsdiag component for feedback.